Welcome to had6 channel. In this video, we will look into vibration. 11 nouns with similar meanings will be reviewed in example sentences. Let's get started. Number 1. Throb, which means a strong, regular beat or sound. Throb. For example, the throb of the ship's engines. Number 2. Hum, which means a low, steady continuous sound. Hum. For example, a low hum of conversation. Number 3. Reverberation, which means prolongation of a sound. Reverberation. For example, electronic effects have been added, such as echo and reverberation. Number 4. Tremor, which means an involuntary quivering movement. Tremor. For example, a disorder that causes tremors and muscle rigidity. Number 5. Oscillation, which means movement back and forth in a regular rhythm. Oscillation. For example, the oscillation of the pendulum. Number 6. Quiver, which means a slight trembling movement or sound, especially one caused by a sudden strong emotion. Quiver. For example, she couldn't help the quiver in her voice. Number 7. Shudder, which means an act of shuddering. Shudder. For example, another great shudder racked his body. Number 8. Shiver, which means a momentary trembling movement. Shiver. For example, she gave a shiver as the door opened. Number 9. Drone, which means a continuous low humming sound. Drone. For example, the drone of aircraft taking off. What do you think of these synonyms? Please share your thoughts in the comment section below. Moreover, you can follow the channel by hitting the subscription button.